Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have something special, one of my favorite muscle cars on the planet. This is a 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback. The Bullitt car is what it's really known for. This car has factory original green moss paint on the car. It's been redone. We just did an entire paint work on the car, fresh out of the body shop 2022. As you can see, the torque thrust wheels, which go with this car, really, really sharp. All of the chrome LED lights, or no, I'm sorry, not LED lights, but all of the bezels in the back, the lights are all in working condition and are in very good condition. Very solid trunk area, original quarters to the car. There's your spare tire. No Bondo that I can see on the car. It's a little dusty right now, but look at the reflection of this paint. We just spent $12,000 to have this thing painted, and it came out really, really nice. Let's check out the engine. This is a 390. This is an S-code car. This is the correct motor for this car. There you go, 390. Beautiful setup, very clean. Under the hood has been painted as well. Very nice core support across, no overheating issues whatsoever. Let me close this. I want you guys to check out. Look at that. Baby. That is badass. No blemishes, no scratches, no dings, no dents on the car. Manual brakes, as you can see, because the Bullitt car had manual brake from what I was told. Look how gorgeous the interior is. All original interior. 4-speed manual trans. Excellent door panels. Inner outer jambs are excellent on the car. Fold down back seats. Tight headliner. Excellent buckets in the car as well. All right. Let's check out the driver's side really quick. We do have a Marty report for the car as well. Here you go. Let's zoom in. There's the S. Can you see the S there? Okay, S-code car on the VIN. Look how beautiful that is. Original metal throughout the car. It's showing 54,000. Let me zoom this in. 975 original, believed to be original miles to the car. But who knows? Here's your Marty report, which I took a picture of and put it on our website as well. Everything on the inside looks great. Hold on, it's hard to do this while I'm holding the phone. Oh, baby. Look at that oil pressure. Excellent. Horn functions. Heat defrost works. Lights are on. Wipers work. And let's check out the radio. It's the original radio to the car. It lights up a little bit, but it doesn't function. Got an original manual in there. Let's listen to it now. Underneath is gorgeous as well. I would love to take you guys for a test drive, but it's wintertime here in Chicago with snow on the road and ice. So this car is not going outside. It does drive really nice. I had the pleasure of driving this car before we repainted it. There you have it, folks. There is my 1967 Ford Mustang fastback bullet car, S-code car as well, 390 cubic inch motor, 4-speed manual transmission. If you've been looking for a while, I think you found what you're looking for. Visit us at mgmclassiccars.com for over 100 classic vehicles, and we do all pre-delivery inspections on our cars as well and tell you everything about them, as I did in this video. If you're watching this video on YouTube, subscribe to my channel because you got to see what I got coming tomorrow. If you're watching on Facebook, like it and share it. If you need delivery, you will text me your zip code and I'll get you a quote. This baby is only going in an enclosed carrier to whoever buys it. So it's not going to be cheap because you do pay for quality. I pay for quality. As you can see in my showroom, there's nothing cheap here. Okay, there's a lot of beautiful cars, over 100 of them as well. For financing, it's not a problem. If your credit score is like a 625 to a 740, you will need about 10% down. Good rates, good terms. You can fill out the application at mgmclassiccars.com. And if your credit score is 740 or higher, go directly to my lender. They'll give you excellent rate, approve you in 15 minutes, and that is lightstream.com. Okay? There you have it, folks. My number is 847-848-1850. My name is Thomas. Thank you for spending your 7 minutes with me. Have a great day. Talk soon.